Charlie, where you
Yeah, this is how I almost lost my phone at the waterfall. Come with us to Adom Waterfall at Abosomase Akuapem. Girl, your beauty catch my. So, Charlie, what is it? 512. So, why be true? Why make that not believe? So we dey close to the mountain. The mountain dey right here. The weather be wet, but it be like Jude Camo. I see some Milantra for outside there. So we dey go Abosomase. We dey go Adom Waterfall. Yo, bad man. I also there another bad man in the house. And everything. We won't go to the waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we just started our journey. We were driving through Ayumensa. So we spotted this beautiful BMW M5. Yeah, I don't know which year model it is, but it's very beautiful. Charlie, big ups to whoever that car belongs to, Charlie. Yeah, so we just made our first stop at Pibiase Shell Shop. We came to grab some drinks and some few items. Big butterflies in my belly and me love Brian Bon, come on. I fall for you flat to girl mato. Udo Muamata Basseto. And Unti Brian Bon, come on. I fall for you flat to girl mato. Udo Special request.
Friday night, Namishiano, Government girl, Jimmy being in jail. Also, Jamie, I'm in time for this shit.
It's fine when I'm with you.
We just vibing to one of our tunes we created long time ago.
Me a street boy, no I'm always in the mood. Me a G boy, not always in the mood. Money they give me happiness, no be tonga. Lasha they give me joy, you no be tonga. Kakra beshe mi dodo mo ago hala. Kakra beshe mata so ago hala. No campaigning after the election, se mi nyami erection. I'm coming your direction, for some smooth penetration, for some cool relaxation. And no campaigning after the election, se mi nyami erection. I'm coming your direction, I'm coming your direction. What did it do no sir? My baba query, my baba go. What did it do no sir? My baba query. I say, me glad we now. You know, say man no they do that. Brahmin bump baby be mau. What did it do no sir? My baba go, my baba go, Akaba go. Ababako, Akabako, Minya, Azeminya. Let's struggle for finish up.
It's always a vibe when I'm with the bros, Charlie. So guys, we're almost there. That's the little signpost to Adom Waterfall. So guys, we had to drive a little more further. Yeah. Then we got to the parking space where we could park our car. Hey, and guys, that's my brother Lord Paper's song at the top right corner of the screen. Love Catch Me Again. You can stream it on all platforms. This is how you know see we Ghanaians. The ring could see before the journey begins.
Kann ich trinken?
Ja, aber nicht so viel, ja? Doch auch.
Charlie, guys, if you ever want to visit Adom Waterfall, you have to be ready for the hiking. Yes, you have to come along with your hiking boots because we are doing the rest of the journey on foot. Yeah, there's a bike guy here just in case you can't do the walk. Yeah, you can pay him, then he rides you to the destination. Butterflies in my tummy, we all will be young, energetic guys. We chop 26, so we didn't have to charter any bike. We had to do it on foot. And you know, I was rolling with the Starboy Lord Paper, so even in those bushes, some group of guys made him out and they came to ask for a photo. That was a nice feeling, though. And we came across this project someone was doing in the bushes. Yeah, it looked like some chalets, some rooms for rent or something. Yeah, it had a beautiful view. We couldn't help but our curiosity drew us there. We went to look around. And this project is very close to the waterfall. I'm sure the owner is going to capitalize on that and make some bread. Yeah, some good money. Wow, and finally we just got to the entrance of Adom Waterfall. Don't let the structure deceive you. The place is very beautiful, very in tune with nature.